buddies, welcome back to another video about Siacoin, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Siacoin because a lot of people, a lot of Siacoin holders message me that guys make a prediction, make a price videos about a Siacoin. What will be the next move? What's the price of Siacoin? Let me show you guys. But if you're new, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button for more news and update videos. Guys, at this time, guys, if we talk about the currently situation, the currently latest update of Siacoin in the market. So as you can see here, guys, first of all, I want congratulations to all Siacoin holders, because you can see here the changes, a lot of changes of Siacoin is going positive in the market. So that's why I want congratulations, because the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes of Siacoin is completely going positive, guys. So very congrats. Now, if we talk about the price of Siacoin, so 0.019101 USD dollar, that is the currently price of a Siacoin. Let me show you the price chart for a short time. Absolutely, you can see, guys, now price is in the huge pump, guys. So be alert. That is the alert signal for all of you guys. It's for short time investor. I recommend holding. I recommend buying. It's buying. It's holding time, because the huge move of Siacoin is coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys. What's your opinion? Share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.